Good day, Chanel, everyone. I am John Marvin B. Bernardo from DSIT2B. So, in this video, we're going to solve the problem. So, the problem is write a Java program to create a class called School with attributes for students, teachers, and classes, and methods to add and remove students and teachers, and add to create classes. So, let's go. So, as you can see in my VS Code, we have two classes, which is the main and the school. So first we're going to arrange the method in the school. So first we're going to create our attributes. So we're going to private, but I'm going to use this list. So private list, then we're going to in the string. So to make it define the school class has three private attributes like student, teachers, and classes. So each of which is a list string, which is a list of strings. This list will store the names of students, teachers, and classes respectively. So we're going to copy paste to make it faster. So next classes. This we call the attributes, the three attributes that needed in the problem. Next is we're going to create the constructor. So as usual, we're going to copy the class name. So public school, then curly braces, then this is the constructor, as I said. Then because the constructor of the school which is the class is initialized the three list of students, teachers, and class students, teachers, and classes as a new array list object. Then it's called when a new school object is created. So the students, teachers, also we're going to copy paste to make it faster. So as we done the constructor, we're going to solve the problem. Like we create the method which is the when students, teachers, and classes. So first we're going to create the method to students to add students. To create that one, um, um, so we add students. So the methods allows adding a student to the school. It takes string student name as input and adds into the students list rather. Student that add actually students. Next is method. We're going to create the method to remove a student. So this method is allowed. This method is removes a student from the school. It takes string like student name as input and removes it from the student list if it exists. Next is the method to add teachers. So to add teachers. So this method is allow adding a teachers to the school. It takes strings teacher's name as an input and adding to the teacher's list as usual like an student. Next is we're going to create also the method to remove a teachers. So as you can see, it's almost the same as we are going to create the method. So you can see this is an error in here. So they have a miss. So wait for a while. We're going to fix first the remove method. I we're going to change the teachers into teachers rather. Next we're going to continue the remove method. Next is teachers. That remove then the parameter which is the teacher's name. So as we done the method of remove teachers, next we're going to create the method to create a class. So as I explained this method, so this method also is allowing to create a class in the school, a new class in the school. It takes string class name, which string class name, so as input and adds into the classes list as usual like and students and teachers. Now we're going to done. Then we're going to create also the getters. So the getters. These are getters, which is we're going to allow. So the getters methods also is that allows accessing the list of the students, teachers, and classes from the outside the school class. They return the respective list. So you can call the which is in they can you can call or to continue this article first. So listing get students. I the return type. So we're going to return students. So as I clear this, the getters method that allows accessing the list of students, teachers, and classes from outside the schools. So we're going to create, they return the respective list. So we're going to copy paste also as usual to make it faster. So we're going to create the main method. So in this we're going to call or the school we are going to initialize. So the school, maybe we're going to new variable new school. So next we're going to add. As usual, we're going to add the students. So first we're going to create the school. Add students. Like my name, which is John Marvin. So we add more, which is like my classmate, which is Rinzal. So add students. Add students. Rinzal. Next, we're going to add the teachers. So it's called the add teachers, which is user, which is Sir Grant. Next we add more, which is school. Add teachers, Sir Don. So next is the adding classes. Which is ITP 1, 2, and 3. Also TPE 120. So we're going to small s, maybe, yes, it's s. So next is we're going to display. So it's only displaying. So students, so in this, the main class is contains the main method where we create a school object. So it perform operations like adding students, teachers, and creating class, and then here's that one kind of thing, and then it display the current state of school by printing the list of students, teachers, and classes. So we're going to print that. Was we are maybe is damay. Just wait for a seconds to make it see. So we can see students print, which is the student with the Marvin Rizal, the church Sir Clint, Sir Donny, then classes is the ITP 121. Then maybe it's the in here. So to show the problem, like remove in the our problem, is going to create remove school that remove students, which is Renzel. Also in the teachers, maybe not, or ah here, yes, students only John Marvin only, because we're going to remove Renzel in. And that's all. Hope you have learned in my video based on the problem that we've solved. Thank you.